Hello, my dear friends. I'm so happy to welcome you to my channel. Today, I noticed that my desk was an absolute mess, and I knew I had to do something about it right away. So, without further ado, let's get started. Today, I'm using a special furniture cleaning cloth, along with a powerful cleaner that works wonders on any surface. However, to get my desk perfectly clean, a little effort is still required. I begin cleaning gently from the edge of the table, making sure not to miss a single speck of dust. After all, I want my favorite table to shine flawlessly. For today's cleaning session, I opted for a comfortable, loose-fitting outfit in my favorite color. It allows me to move freely, without any discomfort, making the whole process much more enjoyable. Nothing restricts me, and nothing can distract me from bringing perfect order to my space. As you can see, the table is becoming cleaner with each passing moment, and it truly brings me so much joy to watch the transformation. The clutter is slowly disappearing, revealing the smooth surface beneath. There's just a little bit left to do, and soon, this task will be completely finished. I must admit, after such a routine but satisfying activity, I can't help but look forward to a well-deserved rest. A moment of relaxation is calling my name, and I can already imagine how refreshing it will feel. Well, I finally finished cleaning, and now it's time to relax. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. So see you soon.